Hey there, content creator and social media enthusiast. Ever feel like you are stuck in a rut, posting the same old content on your social media channels? If you are nodding along, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into 10 powerful social media content types that will breathe new life into your marketing strategy. Each of these types is designed to engage your audience, build your brand, and most importantly, keep your followers coming back for more. We will cover everything from short form videos that grab attention to user generated content that builds community. Plus, I will share some killer examples from brands which are doing it right. So stick around to the end. You won't want to miss those tips and tricks to up your social media game. So number one in our list is short form video. Let's kick things off with short form video. Arguably the most popular content type on social media right now. With the rise of TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, short form videos have become a powerful way to grab attention quickly and deliver a message in under 60 seconds. So, what are the best social media channels for short form videos? See, short form videos thrive on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Now, these channels are designed for quick, engaging content that's easily shareable and discoverable, thanks to algorithms that favor trending and popular videos. Now, let's have a look at the brand examples of short form videos, the brands which are doing it right. Take a look at Chipotle. They've nailed the short form video game with their fun and engaging TikTok videos, featuring everything from behind the scene kitchen tours to user generated contents like customers creating their own Chipotle inspired recipes. The result? Millions of views and a strong presence on TikTok. Now let's have a look at long form video. While short form videos are great for grabbing attention, long form videos are perfect for delivering more in-depth content. Think tutorials, webinars, interviews, and product demos that allow you to dive deep into a topic and provide real value to your audience. What are the best social media channels for long form video? Well, YouTube is the undisputed king of long form video content. But Facebook Watch and Instagram TV are also great platforms for longer videos. These channels cater to audiences looking for more detailed content and are excellent for building a community around your brand. Let's look at some of the brand examples for long form video. Consider Sephora. Now, their YouTube channel is packed with long form content, including makeup tutorials, product reviews, and beauty tips. By leveraging long form videos, Sephora has positioned itself as a trusted source of beauty knowledge, helping to build a loyal community of subscribers. Now, third in our list is user generated content. User generated content is a gold mine for brands. It's authentic, engaging, and best of all, free. See, UGC can take many forms: photo, videos, reviews, and testimonials created by your customers. What are the best social media channels for UGC? Well, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter are great platforms for UGC. These channels make it easy for users to share their own content and for brands to repost and highlight the content, creating a sense of community and shared experiences. Let's look at the brand example of user-generated content. GoPro is a master of UGC. They regularly feature user-generated videos on their Instagram and YouTube channels, showcasing the incredible adventures and experiences of their customers. Now, this not only provides free content but also fosters a community of loyal, engaged customers who love sharing their experiences with the brand. Fourth in our list is infographics. See, infographics are a fantastic way to present complex information in a visually appealing and easily digestible format. They are perfect for sharing statistics, processes, and tips in a way that is easy to understand and share. What are the best social media channels for infographics, you will ask? Well, Pinterest and LinkedIn are ideal platforms for infographics. Pinterest's visual nature makes it perfect for sharing infographic content, while LinkedIn's professional audience is often looking for informative and educational content that infographics provide. Let's look at the brand examples for infographics. HubSpot frequently uses infographics on their blog and social media channels to break down complex marketing concepts into easy to understand visuals. This not only makes their content more accessible, but also positions them as a valuable resource in the digital marketing space. The next in our list is behind the scenes content. See, people love getting a sneak peek behind the curtain. Behind the scenes content can make your brand feel more human and accessible, showcasing your audience the people, processes, and passion that go into what you do. What are the best social media channels for behind the scenes content? Stories, Instagram stories, Facebook stories, and Snapchat are great for behind the scenes content. These platforms offer a more informal, real-time look at your brand, making them perfect for this type of content. Now let's look at the brand examples of behind the scenes content. Zappos, if you know, is known for its quirky, fun company culture, which they regularly showcase on their social media channels. By sharing behind the scenes content of their office shenanigans, team events, and employee stories, Zappos builds a strong, relatable brand personality. Sixth is polls and quizzes. See, engagement is key on social media, and what better way to engage your audience than with polls and quizzes? These interactive content types are perfect for boosting engagement and learning more about your audience preferences and opinions. If you look at the best social media channels for polls and quizzes, then Facebook and Instagram stories as well as Twitter are excellent platforms for polls and quizzes. Now, these features are built into the platforms, therefore making it easy for brands to create and share interactive content. Like always, let's look at the brand examples of polls and quizzes. So BuzzFeed is famous for its quizzes, which have also become a staple of its content strategy. Whether it is what kind of pizza are you, or can you pass this basic geography quiz, BuzzFeed's quizzes are highly shareable and drive significant traffic to their website. Now, seventh in our list is actually memes. Yes, memes. Memes are the internet's inside jokes, and they are incredibly shareable. So when done right, memes can actually boost your brand's relatability and engagement, particularly with a younger audience. The best social media channel for memes, if you look at them, are Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. They are meme-friendly platforms where humor and relatability can go viral. These platforms allow for easy sharing and tagging, therefore amplifying the reach of your meme content. Let's look at some of the brand example for memes. Netflix often uses memes on its social media channels to promote its shows in a humorous and relatable way. By tapping into current trends and popular internet culture, Netflix keeps its content fresh and engaging. Next in our list is contests and giveaways. See, everyone loves free stuff. Contests and giveaways are a great way to boost engagement, grow your follower base, and generate buzz around your brand. The best social media channels for contests and giveaways are actually Instagram and Facebook. These are popular platforms for contests and giveaways due to their larger user base and interactive features, such as comments, likes, and shares, which are often requirement for entry. If you look at the brand example for contests and giveaways, so Ben and Jerry's frequently run contests and giveaways on their social media channels, encouraging fans to engage with their content for a chance to win free ice cream or branded merchandise. Now, this not only boosts engagement but also fosters a community of brand advocates. Ninth in our list is tutorials and how-tos. See, educational content like tutorials and how-tos can position your brand as an authority in your industry. Now, this type of content is valuable because it provides your audience with actionable tips and solutions. Now, let's look at the best social media channel for promoting tutorials and how-tos. So, YouTube is the best platform for video tutorials. While Pinterest is great for step-by-step visual guides, Instagram can also be effective for quick, bite-sized tutorial using stories or reels. Let's look at the brand example for tutorials and how. So Home Depot uses YouTube to share tutorials on a wide range of home improvement projects. By providing valuable, actionable content, they establish themselves as a go-to resource for DIY enthusiasts. 10th is inspirational quotes and motivational content. So see, sometimes a little inspiration is all it takes to brighten someone's day. Inspirational quotes and motivational content are simple yet effective ways to engage your audience and encourage sharing. So the best social media channels for inspirational quotes are Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. They are ideal for sharing inspirational quotes and motivational content. These platforms allow for easy sharing and repinning, thereby helping your content reach a wider audience. If you look at the brand example for inspirational quote, Nike frequently shares inspirational quotes on their social media channels, often featuring athletes and motivational messages that align with their brand ethos of pushing limits and achieving greatness. These posts are highly shareable and resonate with a wide audience. So let's conclude this now. You need to elevate your social media game. See, there you have it, 10 social media content types that can take your brand's online presence to next level. From short form video to user generated content, each type has its unique strength and can help you connect with your audience in new and engaging ways. See, remember, the key to a successful social media strategy is variety. Don't be afraid to mix things up and experiment with different types of content to see what resonates most with your audience. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. And as always, feel free to drop your favorite content types in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating and keep engaging.